Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe, and I'm delighted to present this Nissan Qashqai 1.3 DIG-T MHEV Acenta Premium. Finished in black and powered by a 1.3 mild hybrid petrol engine delivering 140 PS paired with a smooth manual transmission, this Qashqai offers dependable usability. On the front, the LED headlights and LED daytime running lights provide sharp modern look while improving visibility during darker winter evenings, and 17-inch alloy wheels strike perfect balance between comfort and control. At the rear, LED rear lights create crisp nighttime signature, while the integrated rear spoiler and silver bumper insert enhance the sporty shape. The Qashqai offers practical, easy access boot with wide opening and hard cover for added security. With 60/40 split folding rear seats, you have flexible space for everyday needs or weekend trips. Passengers in the back enjoy supportive seating, generous headroom thanks to the Qashqai's elevated roofline, and isofix mounting points for family practicality. Up front, the driver benefits from height adjustment and lumbar support for long-distance comfort. The cabin features dual-zone climate control, ideal for keeping the cabin warm and pleasant. The leather multifunction steering wheel places audio, phone and driving assist controls at your fingertips, and ahead of you sits clear 7-inch high-definition digital TFT combi meter which displays key driving information. In the center console, you get your controls for the climate control and the infotainment system featuring DB radio with 6 speakers for crisp audio, as well as phone connectivity thanks to Bluetooth and smartphone integration, keeping communication effortless. You also get car info menu with access to vehicle data, hybrid information and driving efficiency screens, and settings to customize display and driver assistance preferences. The driver will additionally benefit from the clear visual guidance from the reversing camera, which makes parking and reversing very straightforward. This has been a presentation of the Nissan Qashqai 1.3 DIG-T MHEV Acenta Premium. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.